Ready to upgrade to your new Android device? Follow these steps to safely transfer your photos, messages, and more so you can pick up right where you left off. To start, you will need both your new Android device and iPhone on hand and fully charged. Also, make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi. Ready? Let's go. Turn on your new Android. Remember, you can pause the video at any time if you'd like. Choose to set up using an iPhone or iPad, and use your iPhone camera to scan the QR code on your Android. Once scanned, place both devices side by side. Then they will connect wirelessly. Keep them near each other until the transfer is complete. You may be prompted to plug in a cable if we detect a slow wireless connection. After both phones are connected, using your iPhone, confirm what data you want to transfer to your new Android. Keep app data selected in order to transfer your Google account and other important app data from your iPhone. Now, sit back. Your protected and secure transfer has safely begun. While the transfer is happening, you'll get the chance to learn more about your new Android phone, including Gemini. Once the transfer is finished, a completion screen will appear to confirm that you're good to move forward. Next, using your iPhone, select the phone number you want to transfer to your new Android, and your eSIM will automatically transfer over. To transfer your WhatsApp chats, make sure not to reset your iPhone just yet. Tap the WhatsApp notification on your Android, connect both devices using your cable. Then use your iPhone camera to scan the QR code on your Android. Be sure to keep your phones connected until the transfer is complete. Now all your chats are in their new home. Enjoy your new Android device. To learn more, visit android.com/switch.